Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to calculate natural vibrations in FreeCAD with the help of a FEM workbench. As you can see that I have already did it analysis, and here is a frequency analysis, that is with the first frequency, that is with second, and this one is with the third. I will show you from the scratch how to assign material, fix the faces, apply the mesh, and how to do this natural vibration analysis in a FreeCAD with the help of a FEM workbench. So I will close this file and create a new file to show you from the scratch. So here I have a model, a very simple L type of a plate, and it have the 4 holes, and we will calculate the natural vibration of this plate. So here my FEM workbench is active, and first thing we will do is to insert our analysis container. Now understand what is the importance of this analysis container. This analysis containers will contain all the analysis activities which we are going to calculate the natural vibrations, like it will store the material, it will store the mesh, it will store the fixed faces. Everything you are seeing here will come under this analysis container. Without inserting this analysis container, you cannot perform the analysis. Now select the body, and the first thing we have to define the material for the parts. So click on the material options, and here if you click on this triangle, which is a drop down, you will see so many material: steel, aluminum. But for this part I am going to select the ABS material, ABS generic, because it is the most common material used for the 3D printing. So here I will apply it. So here I have selected the material. Now let's again see the ABS generic. So here it is the density, Young modulus of this ABS generic material, Poisson ratio, thermal conductivity, thermal coefficients, reference temperatures, specific heat capacity. So when we select the materials, these things automatically gets defined. Now let's fix the conditions. So we are going to calculate the natural vibrations, so we will fix these 4 holes. So here you will see the option of a fix boundary condition. Click on it and click on the add options, and select the internal surface, and click on the OK. So now this got the fix, and you can assume that this fixing means that fastening with a screw. So here when we are fixing these faces, actual meaning is that we are locking it with a bolt and nut. So we have locked this 4 holes with a bolt and nut. Now our plate is a fix. Now let's go with the meshing option. So in a FreeCAD FEM workbench we have the 2 options for the mesh. One is a G mesh and second one is a NetGen. So we are going to create a mesh with a NetGen. So for this, select the body and click on the NetGen mesh, and here we will define the mesh parameters. So mesh size, maximum size, give the 5, and check the second order and optimize, and click on apply. So you can see that mesh is created, and now let's understand the meshing parameters here. So max size is the maximum element size. Second order, which is a check, which means that whether to generate a quadratic elements. Fineness, Fineness are the many types in a meshing, like very coarse, coarse, medium, fine, very fine, and user defined. Now come to the growth rate, which is 0.3. It means that rate of change of adjacent mesh. And number of segment per edge defines the number of division per edge, and number of segment per radius define the number of division per radius. And optimize, whether to optimize or not, it is a user decision, but here I will check this optimize and check on this second order. Click on OK. Now we have a model, we have applied the material, we have fixed the faces, we have generated the mesh as well. Now click on the solvers tool, and here we have to change our analysis type, because we are going to calculate the natural vibration frequency. So we will change our analysis type to the frequency, and we will drop down, and eigen mode count is 10. We will set it to the 3. Say enter. So here we have to do the two things. We have changed the analysis type and eigen mode count. Now let's move to the next step. Next step is to double click on the solver CCX tool. So now here our analysis type of a frequency, write INP file. So write is complete, which means that now we can run our calculus. So click on the run calculus. Now our analysis is running. So you can see that our analysis is a successful, and here we are seeing the clear message without any error. So our analysis tool is completed. Now we will close it. Now here we have the 3 results, eigen mode result 1, 2 and 3, and here is a pipeline CCX results. So now click on the wrap factor, and in a wrap factor we will define the here few values. So here it is a vector, and we wanted to see the displacement. So here in a wrap factor give the 0.01, and mode is of a surface, and fill we will give the displacement magnitude. Click on OK. Now let's hide this mesh body, and here we have the 3 result, and if we click on the pipeline CCX result, and here we can see the 3 frequencies. So now once we click on the second frequency, so we can see that our model is got deforms, and here it is analysis. We can see the 3 different frequencies, 1, 2 and 3. So one is a frequency 670 Hz, second is a 2.29 kilohertz, and third one is a 2.52 kilohertz. So this is how we have did the natural vibrations in a FreeCAD with the help of FEM workbench, and we have successfully run this analysis, and we have found these 3 frequencies. So this is all about this tutorial, how to calculate natural vibrations in a FreeCAD with the help of FEM workbench. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you wanted to master FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my FreeCAD course on a Gumroad. You will find the link in a video description as well as in a pin comment. This course have the structure based learning, and this course will take you from absolute beginner to the confident FreeCAD user. So never forget to check out the link in a video description and in a pin comment.